Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Today, I'm out here in the assembly area at WireCrafters. And what we're kind of looking at today are the 3-foot wide universal doors that we've had for quite some time, where we can put all different type of lockbox handle. We now have a 4-foot door that Aaron will show you.
So right here we're looking at the 4-foot door. Because of the popularity of the 3-foot door and us needing to have it in our other stock door offerings, we have now offered it in the 4-foot door. It is very simple to use. You get a lockbox. Now this comes assembled on site, but just to show what we do here, you just slide this lockbox right in here. It fits perfectly in there. If you wanted to change it in the field, you can remove that lockbox and add a different style. But throw it back to Milt, who's over with the assembly team, to talk about how they do it.
Yeah, so we've got Justin and Justin, two Justins. And these guys, if you order a special lock handle push bar, these are the gentlemen that are going to put it in your door, and they'll make sure it's going to work when it gets there. Now let's go look at a few of the samples over in the showroom area. So in this particular door, you see that it just has a little standard cylinder key lock on the outside, but I've got a push bar, and as you can hear, this is an emergency exit, and there's a little alarm that goes off when we go out this door. So that's one option. Aaron's going to show you a couple more options.
Similar to the alarm style, this is just our standard push bar that you can see back here, but it also has, instead of the key entry that you see over there, it has a lever handle entry for easier egress and still the key lock up here. And I'm going to throw it back to Milt one more time for one more option that we have.
Now on this option, we've got a lever handle with a key here. We open it up, and on the inside, we have another lever handle. So we've showed you a regular key lock with a push bar. We showed you over there with Aaron a push bar with a lever handle. And on this side, it's a lever handle on both sides. These are universal doors. You can buy any door and you can swap these out. It works awesome. So we're really happy with this. We're selling a lot of these doors. Let us know if you need one of these. That's all we got this week on Mondays with Milt. We'll see you next week.